Boo! Did I scare you? It's just the pumpkin like a jack-o'-lantern. Welcome to the video. Happy Halloween! Cooking with Jet the Hawk. 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 Today, I made a microwave toast pumpkin seeds. This is so good. Check it out. I just made a perfect toast pumpkin seeds. Unless I use it the microwave and the rice cooking. Step 1. I put this lime in the pumpkin seeds. Ooh. Ooh. So good. Let's see what it tastes like. No reaction. Okay, here we go. Looks good. Next one, tahini. And voila! A perfect toast pumpkin seeds with the lime and tahini. Alright, let's try it out. Mmm! This is so good! Mmm! Why would you look at that? It's the perfect toasted pumpkin seeds. This is gonna be epic! If you like it, subscribe!